Hello again. Some of us have already seen some snow this morning, and there's more snow to come in the forecast, and also some rain actually. Now, it's been a cold start to the day, and that cold will continue for most of us through the day, except for in the southwest, where it's actually going to be milder than it has been. And that's because we've got this clutch of fronts introducing milder Atlantic air. But they're also producing some rain, and as that rain engages with the cold air already in place, it will readily turn to snow. And around this band, it's also going to be quite windy. So we could see some hill snow, for example, across the hills in North Wales, the peaks, but most of it will be falling in the Pennines and across the hills of Scotland. In some of the heavier bursts, we could see that getting down to lower levels, and eventually the rain makes it over towards the east. Behind that, still a lot of cloud and showers, 10 degrees in Plymouth, but in the sunshine in Aberdeen, we're looking at only 3. Now, through this evening and overnight, the rain and the snow peters out, although there'll still be some snow across parts of Scotland, quite a bit of cloud around, and it's not going to be as cold a night as we've seen in recent nights, with most of us having temperatures hanging on just above freezing. So as we head on into tomorrow, we've got this weak front, which also peters out. Then we've got a new front coming our way, introducing rain much later on in the day. So first thing, here's our weak front producing the patchy rain. Again, some winteriness in that. There will be a lot of cloud on Wednesday, some breaks here and there, the cloud thick enough for some showers. And here's the first sign of our weather front coming our way later in the day. The milder air travelling a bit farther northwards and eastwards, but still pretty cold if you're in Scotland, with temperatures 3 or indeed 4 degrees. Now, on Wednesday into Thursday, our weather fronts push northwards once again as they engage with the cold air already in place in the north. Well, that will turn quite readily to snow. And again, most of the snow will be on higher ground, but in the heavier bursts, you can't rule it out getting down to lower levels at times. Still dry and bright across the northeast of Scotland, some brightness coming in behind that weather front, and a bit of a hike up in those temperatures, as you can see, 12 degrees in the south. But then here's the next weather system just waiting to come our way, and that's going to move northwards and eastwards during the course of Friday. But note how the temperatures fall on Saturday, and we might, it is just a might, see some snow in the south.